Every time we step into a vehicle, we trust that we'll make it to our destination. But trust alone isn't enough. Awareness and smart decisions are what truly get us there. Today, we're looking at real incidents that hold valuable lessons. Each one is a wake-up call that could make you a safer driver. Never overestimate your car's ability in tight turns. Many crashes happen when drivers take sharp bends too fast, unaware of how centrifugal force and road grip work together or against them. Don't rely entirely on GPS. A wrong instruction in a split second can lead to wrong-way driving or sharp last-minute turns. Always stay alert to road signs and surroundings.
Video is now locked.
Tailgating isn't just aggressive, it's dangerous. One brake tap from the car ahead can lead to a rear-end collision. Maintain a buffer zone, especially at higher speeds. Reversing isn't risk-free. Parking lot accidents often occur when drivers assume the coast is clear. Always double-check your mirrors and back slowly. Animals on the road, especially at dawn or dusk, can appear out of nowhere. Swerving to avoid them often leads to more severe accidents than hitting them head-on. Sometimes, braking is the safer option. Horns are for alerting, not expressing frustration. Using them impulsively can escalate road rage situations. Stay calm and focus on safety over ego. When your car breaks down, getting out without checking traffic can be deadly. Always use hazard lights and exit on the non-traffic side if possible. Visibility saves lives. Bridge surfaces freeze before regular roads. They cool faster and lose friction quicker. Reduce speed when approaching bridges in winter, even if the rest of the road looks clear. Bicyclists have just as much right to the road. Don't squeeze past them. Give at least 3 feet of space and anticipate their movements, especially near intersections. Changing lanes without signaling is like whispering in a crowd. You won't be heard. Signal every time, even when you think no one's around. It's a simple habit that prevents crashes. Slamming on brakes in wet conditions can lock your wheels and lead to skidding. Use gradual pressure and avoid sudden movements when traction is low. When crossing railroad tracks, don't rush a closing barrier. Trains are faster and quieter than they seem, and collisions are almost always fatal. Never try to beat them. In multi-lane roads, watch for sudden stops from other drivers trying to turn across traffic. These surprise halts are a common cause of chain reaction crashes. Kids and pets should never ride in the front seat. Airbags can seriously injure or kill them, even in minor collisions. The back seat is safest for them. Sun glare, especially at sunrise or sunset, can blind you for seconds. Keep sunglasses in your car and use your visor effectively. Visibility means control. Flooded roads are more dangerous than they look. Just a few inches of moving water can carry a car. If you can't see the road's surface, don't risk it. After a crash, panicking can worsen the situation. Take a deep breath, turn on hazard lights, check for injuries, and call for help. Staying calm saves seconds and lives. Don't drive while taking medications that impair alertness. Even over-the-counter drugs like antihistamines can slow your reactions. Read labels and know your limits before driving. Being a safer driver isn't about perfection, it's about intention. The road is full of variables you can't control, but your awareness and decisions make all the difference. If you found value in these tips, support this content by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and sharing it with someone who drives every day. Let's work together to make every trip a safer one. Every accident is a serious warning. For greater awareness and to prevent such incidents, click on the next video now.